There are many students here at South who participate in a sport. Being a student athlete can be an amazing experience, but also challenging. Student athlete Mallory Crowley speaks on how she balances that life.
What I do to keep like a balance between being a athlete and a student at DGS is kind of like taking time for myself. Like usually when soccer season hits, I'm not hanging out with my friends as much just because I know like my mental health matters and like my stress levels do heighten. So it's like I know I need to take days just to myself, like without anybody around, and just kind of like a self-care day.
To try to balance sleep and athletics and homework. I feel like sometimes grades do struggle a little bit. It takes a lot of time management skills and really being able to multitask to try to get that work done or really falling behind, and identifying if you are falling behind, how to kind of dig yourself out of that hole. When the eligibility comes out, that's one of the main things we can see and try to identify where kids are struggling in certain classes. Honestly, try like just word of mouth. I try to communicate with students, not students, but the athletes that I coach as much as possible. If I know maybe you don't like English, like, hey, checking in with them, hey, how's English going? Get that assignment done. Because we can see on Infinite Campus where kids are struggling, what assignments they haven't turned in, so trying to keep up on that, which is hard to do with multiple sports, but using that as much as possible to try to make sure the kids are on top of their stuff.
Prioritizing and having a balance with your sport and in school is very important. The DGS girls' first soccer game is here on March 19th. In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Mikayla.